Friends, now we will examine the year charts of both Mr. Barack Obama and Mitt Romney. It is very interesting as in Barack Obama's chart, year chart is having a Capricorn ascendant with Saturn placed in 10th house in Libra sign, and also Untha is also placed in that. This is very auspicious. Under normal circumstances, if the other parameters of the chart are normal, of the birth chart and of the year chart, then in this situation the person who is continuing in some good office continues to do so in the next year chart also. But here we have to examine the year chart of Mitt Romney also. First, let us see what is the year chart of Mr. Barack Obama indicating. The year chart of Barack Obama, Jupiter Rahu form Chandal Yoga on the day of transit. Jupiter Rahu period, Jupiter is forming adverse aspect in birth chart, and Rahu Mercury also form adverse aspect in birth chart. On the day of transit, the Yogini Dasha is also not good. It is ruled by Rahu, Venus Rahu, hence it indicates some obstructions. In year chart, it is ruled by Mars and Rahu also. The election day is restricted by some unforeseen obstructions. The D9 chart shows Capricorn ascendant only, Saturn in 10th house is Libra. Now this is exceptionally good. The year chart is showing Capricorn ascendant, and its D9 chart is also showing Capricorn ascendant with Saturn in 10th house in Libra. This is very good. Mercury is exalted in Virgo in 9th house with exalted Rahu and Muntha. Thus it is very auspicious in Barack Obama's case. Amongst the Minchotri Dashas, that is the other periods of planets, Venus will be running on the day of election. Mars is present in 8th house in the D9 chart, and Venus is debilitated in the D9 chart in transit. Thus it is not good from this angle. Venus in 6th house is also not good, and Mars in 9th house in D9 chart is also not good. The D10 chart of Barack Obama, in the year chart, Sun Rahu are present in Virgo sign in the 1st house. Now here, Rahu in Virgo sign is though exalted, but the presence of Sun with Rahu, it is never considered to be auspicious, and this indicates some defamation due to some event or some scandal which might erupt all of a sudden. We shall later on discuss the timing of it. Venus is good in Cancer in 11th, but having debilitated aspect from Mars, which is exalted in D10 chart in 5th house, but it is 3rd and 8th lord, hence the aspect becomes very bad. So we have examined the year chart of Barack Obama. What are the potentialities in this year chart? Except the Capricorn ascendant and Saturn being the lord of Capricorn placed in 10th house in exalted sign Libra, and in D10 chart of year also showing the same ascendant and same placement of Saturn. It is exceptionally good with Mercury exalted in 9th house with Muntha. This is also very good. Apart from this, other parameters are not promising. This is all for year chart of Barack Obama. Friends, now let us see the year chart of Mitt Romney. The year chart of Mitt Romney is showing Aquarius ascendant with the presence of Sun. This Aquarius sign with Sun is placed in the 10th cusp in his birth chart. So that becomes very powerful. It is equally good as like Barack Obama's chart, the placement of Capricorn ascendant and Saturn having in 10th house. Rahu is present in 10th house, Ketu in 4th house, Mercury in Pisces sign, Jupiter and Venus in Aries, and Saturn with Muntha is placed in 9th house and Moon. So Saturn here is exalted. So the year ascendant Saturn is exalted in 9th house. This becomes very auspicious in the chart of year chart of Mr. Mitt Romney. Also, the Yogini Dasha is ruled by Rahu, Venus. So this is comparatively better than Barack Obama's Rahu, Venus, Rahu. Further, on the election day, as per year chart, he is ruled by Rahu, and Rahu, it is not good, so this gets neutralized with Barack Obama's Mars Rahu on the day of year chart in election. And then Mitt Romney's year chart, Rahu in 10th house is aspected by Mars because it is Mars' own sign Scorpio, and this aspect is exceptionally good. Further, in the D10 year chart, it is having exchange of Mercury in Pisces and Jupiter in Virgo in 7th house. Thus, it is forming an exchange of houses which is very powerful from the purpose of political yogas and political aspirations. This also indicates sudden twists and turns, and there might be happening some event which might be initially appearing to be a little struggle and setback to Mr. Mitt Romney, but ultimately he will come back with more power in that particular incident only. Venus is 6th in year chart D10, which is having Pisces ascendant. So there it becomes Lord of 3rd and 8th house, placed in 6th house. This also forms Vipareet Raj Yoga, hence very good. Mars is exalted in 11th house in D10 year chart, being the Lord of 2nd and now 9th house. It is very good. In D9 chart, Mercury and Muntha in 12th house. This is not auspicious. Venus and Jupiter are aspecting Muntha, Saturn, Moon in 9th house. It is very good and very auspicious in the year chart. Saturn Rahu in 1st house in Scorpio, aspected by Mars, which improvises it. Jupiter in 10th house in Leo is good. So overall, the year chart is indicating a little balance but slightly tilted in favor of Mitt Romney. Now, in our next broadcast, we shall be restricting ourselves to a very short analysis on the basis of transit of planets. There we will see what might happen. This is all for Mitt Romney's year chart. Thank you very much.